Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Tabnine. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tabnine.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Tabnine website. Now from this page, click on the sign in button at the top right corner to end up within the login portal. Now from the login portal, to create a new account, click on the sign up button. You will then be asked to enter your name and your email address and your password. So go ahead and type in your name followed by your email address and then type in your password that you want to use. Then click on create account and now you will directly be logged in. You will still be told to verify your email address. So go ahead and check your inbox and you will find the verification email from Tabnine. Go ahead and click on the verify now button and now your account will be fully verified. You can click on continue to app and start using Tabnine right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Tabnine. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.